Did you know that mangoes, the king of fruits, have been cultivated by humans for over 4,000 years? Yes, that's right. These sweet, juicy delights have been a part of our diet since times immemorial. Mangoes are not just a fruit, they are an experience, a tropical holiday on your taste buds. But did you know there are over 1,000 varieties of mangoes in the world, each one with its unique taste, texture, and color? Let's embark on a journey through the fascinating world of mangoes, exploring the different varieties and what makes each one special. First up is the Alfonso mango, often dubbed as the king of mangoes. Originating from India, the Alfonso is renowned worldwide for its rich flavor, vibrant yellow color, and creamy texture. This variety is so popular, it's often used in gourmet desserts and smoothies. Next on our list is the Hayden mango. Originally from Florida, the Hayden is a large, brightly colored fruit with a sweet, aromatic flavor and firm, fibrous flesh. It's often enjoyed fresh in salads or used in grilling. Then we have the Kent variety, also from Florida. Kent mangoes are known for their dark green skin that often has a beautiful red blush. Inside, they have a deliciously sweet and rich taste, with less fibrous texture than the Hayden. Moving on, we have the Tommy Atkins variety. This is the most widely grown commercial variety of mango in the US. It's a large, oval fruit with a tough skin, but don't let that deter you. Inside, the Tommy Atkins offers a mildly sweet and piney flavor that's perfect for those who prefer a less sugary mango. From Pakistan and North India comes the Chansar mango, often considered one of the best in terms of richness, flavor, and aroma. The Chansar is a delight for mango lovers, offering a succulent, buttery texture with an incredibly sweet taste. Finally, we have the Kesar variety from India, named so because of its saffron-hued skin. The Kesar mango has a unique sweet taste and is often used in the preparation of mango pulp and juice concentrates. In summary, the world of mangoes is vast and varied. From the rich, creamy Alfonso to the sweet and buttery Chansar, each variety of mango offers a unique experience. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a salad, grilled, or in a smoothie, there's a mango out there for everyone. So, the next time you're at a fruit stand or a supermarket, don't just reach for any mango. Remember the names and characteristics of these varieties and pick the one that suits your taste buds the best. After all, there's a whole world of mangoes to explore. Remember, a mango isn't just a fruit, it's an experience, a journey, a tropical holiday on your taste buds. So go on, take a bite, and let the mango take you on a delightful journey.